We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say that this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. When our customers send us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to give every customer a first-class experience. We just love getting great feedback like this. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.